In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can evaluate a number that's been written as a product of its prime factors. What this means is I've got prime numbers all being multiplied together, and all I need to do is find out the total value. So evaluating 2 squared times 3 times 5. 2 squared is 4, times it by 3, times it by 5. 4 times 3 is 12, and multiply this by 5 would then give me 60. So 2 squared times 3 times 5 is equal to 60. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So evaluating 2 squared times 3 squared would give me 4 times 9, which would give 36. 2 squared times 3 squared is 36.